Hey everyone, welcome back. You don't need a big marketing budget to build a tax practice. Most of the best marketing for new preparers costs little or nothing. Let me walk you through what actually works. The first is the Google Business Profile. This is free and it's probably the single most impactful thing you can do. Set up your profile, add your business name, address, phone number, hours, and a description of your services. When people in your area search tax preparer near me, your profile shows up in the local results. Ask every happy client to leave a review. 5-star reviews with real comments are the most powerful marketing tool in local services today. Facebook page, create a business page for your tax practice. Post regularly, especially from November through April. Share tips about deadlines, common deductions, changes in the tax law, and reminders about your estimated payments. Join local community groups and answer tax questions when people ask. Don't sell, just be helpful. People remember the person who gave them useful advice for free. Nextdoor is another good one. This is a neighborhood-based social platform and it's underused by tax preparers. Post an introduction, offer a first-time client discount, and respond when neighbors ask about tax services. Local trust is everything in this business. Flyers and business cards, old school, but they still work. Drop off business cards at local businesses, especially the ones whose owners you'd like as clients. Put up a flyer at the library, the laundromat, the community center. During tax season, these things actually get noticed. A simple website's another way to go. You don't need anything fancy. A one-page site with your name, services, location, contact information, and a way for clients to schedule an appointment or submit documents. You can build this for free or close to it using Wix, Squarespace, or Google Sites. Email. Collect email addresses from every client and prospect you meet. Send a quarterly newsletter with tax tips, deadline reminders, and updates. One email in November reminding people to gather their documents can generate a wave of appointments. Here's what you don't need: paid advertising, SEO consultants, or a marketing agency. Those can come later when your practice is established and you have revenue to invest. In the early days, your marketing budget should be close to zero and your efforts should be high. More on building your practice with practical, no-fluff strategies at MuseSpring.com. Quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.